Hi, I'm glad you're here. This video will give you additional practice for the Unit 1 multiple choice assessment that you'll sit in January. Use this video whenever you need to. It could be before a Unit 1 class test or a mock, or prior to your multiple choice exam, and also if you're resitting the Unit 1 multiple choice exam to get a higher grade. Practicing past papers is a crucial element for exam revision. You can pause the video when you need to. We'll be working at a good pace and go through an entire paper, so that's 35 questions. So grab a pen and paper and try and give each question a go. You might also want to check out these videos, which will give you some tips and information on how you can approach questions on your written paper. I will put the link to these in the description box. Question number 1. Which of the following is a function of money? A means of A. Ensuring stability of value, B. Exchange, C. Guaranteeing credit, or D. Improving a person's credit rating. And the answer is B. Exchange. Question number 2. For money to function as intended, it needs to be A. Acceptable, B. Fixed in value, C. No older than 5 years, or D. Unrecognizable. And the answer is A. Acceptable. Question 3. Where are banknotes issued in Northern Ireland legal tender? A. England and Northern Ireland, B. England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, C. Northern Ireland only, or D. They are not legal tender anywhere. And the answer is D. They are not legal tender anywhere. Question number 4. British banknotes have a promise on them to pay the bearer on demand the sum of, followed by the amount of money the banknote represents. This promise is signed by the A. Chancellor of the Exchequer, B. Chief Cashier of the Bank of England, C. Governor of the Bank of England, or D. The Prime Minister. And the answer is B. Chief Cashier of the Bank of England. Question number 5. At which of the following stages of the personal life cycle is a person aged 25 years? Is it A. Childhood, B. Teenager, C. Young adult, or D. Mature adult? And the answer is C. A young adult. Question number 6. At which stage of the life cycle is someone most likely to get married and or have children? Is it A. A young adult? Is it B. A mature adult, C. Middle age, or D. Late middle age? And the answer is B. Mature adult. Question number 7. Which of the following would be included when working out demographic change? Is it A. Debt? Is it B. Marriage, C. Migration, or D. Work? And the answer is C. Migration. Question number 8. Which of the following is an external factor during the personal life cycle that will significantly affect an individual's position? Is it A. Attitude to risk, B. Deciding to start a family, C. Increase in the bank rate, or D, starting a new business? And the answer is C, an increase in the bank rate. Question number 9. The interest rate quoted on a savings account is indicated by which of the following? Is it A, AER, B, APR, C, EAR, or D, RPI? And the answer is A, AER. Question 10. Which of the following is usually a feature of a savings bond? Is it A, it is set for a period of time, B, it pays a lower rate of interest than an instant access account, C, the rate of interest is variable, or D, withdrawals of funds are not restricted? Let's take a look at the answer. It is A, it is set for a period of time. Question 11. A key feature of an individual savings account, an ISA, is that A, the interest is always tax-free, B, the interest is paid every 3 months, C, the interest is guaranteed to be no less than the rate of inflation, D, there is no maximum amount that can be deposited each year. And the answer is A, the interest is always tax-free. Question 12. National Savings and Investments, NS&I, savings products are popular because the money saved is A, 50% guaranteed, B, 75% guaranteed, C, 85% guaranteed, or D, 100% guaranteed. And the answer is D, 100% guaranteed. Question 13. Which of the following forms of borrowing requires the amount borrowed to be repaid in full every month? A, charge card, B, credit card, C, personal loan, or D, a store card? Let's take a look at the answer. It is A, a charge card. Question 14. Which of the following is usually a feature of a personal loan? A, it is for a fixed period of time. B, it usually lasts between 3 and 15 years. C, the amount borrowed is known as the repayment. Or D, the interest rate is variable. And the answer is A, it is for a fixed period of time. Question 15. Which of the following is usually the most expensive form of borrowing in terms of the interest rate charged? Is it A, fixed rate mortgage, B, personal loan, C, unauthorized overdraft, or D, a variable rate mortgage? And the answer is C, unauthorized overdraft. Question 16. Building societies are mutual organisations, which means that they are owned by their A, directors, B, employees, C, members, or D, shareholders. The answer is C, members. Question 17. Demutualisation describes the process of A, banks becoming building societies, B. Banks taking over other banks. C. Building societies becoming banks. Or D. Building societies taking over other building societies. And the answer is C. Building societies becoming banks. Question 18. Under normal circumstances, the Financial Services Compensation Scheme protects the savings of an individual up to what maximum amount? A. £20,000 per person per provider. B. £50,000 per person per provider. C. £85,000 per person per provider. Or D. £100,000 per person per provider. And the answer is C. £85,000 per person per provider. Question 19. When Brian's provider goes out of business, he discovers that he is not able to reclaim his savings. This is because his provider has not been authorised by the A. Bank of England, B. European Central Bank, C. Financial Conduct Authority, or D. Financial Services Compensation Scheme. And the answer is C. Financial Conduct Authority. Which of the following is responsible for ensuring that all financial services providers operate in a way that benefits consumers and the market as a whole? Is it A. the Financial Conduct Authority, B. the Financial Policy Committee, C. the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or D. the Prudential Regulation Authority? And the answer is A. the Financial Conduct Authority. Question 21. Which of the following best describes a packaged current account? An account that offers the account holder A. an interest rate equal to the rate of inflation, B. an interest rate that is 0.5% above the rate of inflation, C. extra benefits for a monthly fee, or D. extra benefits for no monthly fee. And the answer is C. extra benefits for a monthly fee. Question 22. Which of the following were introduced in 2004 as part of the government's plans for financial inclusion? Is it A. basic bank accounts, B. cash ISAs, C. payday loans, or D. 56 days interest free on credit cards? And the answer is A. basic bank accounts. Question 23. Jeffrey has used a card to pay for his shopping using a contactless card, but the money was not taken from his bank account when he checked later that day. Which type of card did he use? Was it A. cash, B. credit, C. debit, or D. Oyster? And the answer is B. credit. Question 24. Which of the following applies to prepaid travel cards? They, A. are only provided through the Visa brand, B. can be loaded with different currencies, C. do not allow for the balance to be refunded if the card is stolen, or D. only operate within the European Union. And the answer is B, can be loaded with different currencies. Question 25. In a cash flow forecast, which of the following would be an example of mandatory expenditure? Is it A, council tax? Is it B, food and drink? C, gas and electricity? Or D, rent? And the answer is A, council tax. Question 26. Campbell is going on holiday in 9 months and still needs to make the final payment of £2,000. Which of the following will help him to achieve his goal without borrowing money? A, account balances. B, authorised overdraft. C, cash ISA. Or D, cash flow forecast. And the answer is D, cash flow forecast. Question 27. Which of the following is an example of someone living beyond their means? They A, earn more than they spend. B, have a surplus budget. C, have problems with HMRC. Or D, spend more than they earn. And the answer is D, spend more than they earn. Question 28. An administration order in England, Wales or Northern Ireland applies to people who have less than which of the following amounts in unsecured debt? A, £5,000. B, £15,000. C, £65,000. Or D, £85,000. And the answer is A, £5,000. Question 29. A debt relief order enables a person to write off their debts if they are unable to repay them after what maximum length of time? A, 6 months. B, 12 months. C, 2 years. Or D, 5 years. And the answer is B, 12 months. Question 30. Which of the following groups of people will not receive the national minimum wage? A, 16 to 18-year-old people. B, 19 to 20-year-old people. C, 21 to 22-year-old people. Or D, over 22-year-old people. And the answer is D, over 22-year-old people. Question 31. Luna works 8 hours a day as a claims handler for an insurance firm. According to the working time regulations, how long of a break, if any, is Luna entitled to? A, nil. B, 20 minutes. C, 30 minutes. Or D, 60 minutes. And the answer is B, 20 minutes. Question 32. David earns £21,500 a year. He has a personal allowance of £11,000 and pays an income tax rate of 20% on the amount above the personal allowance. Calculate how much tax he pays. And just a little note here, there has been a change to the personal allowance, but just use the figures that are right there. A, £1,050. B, £2,100. C, £4,300. Or D, £6,500. And the answer is B, £2,100. Question 33. Cynthia is employed and earns £52,000 a year. Her NI payments are A, Class 1 contributions, B, Class 1 and 2 contributions, C, Class 2 contributions, or D, Class 2 and 4 contributions. And the answer is A, Class 1 contributions. Lifelong financial planning in the UK has been affected by changes in the age when men and women can receive a state pension. From 2020, this age is A, 60, B, 65, C, 66, or D, 67. And the answer is C, 66. Question 35. Lifelong financial planning is affected by the length of time a person can expect to live. In the UK, what is the life expectancy of a female born in 2010? Is it A, 75, B, 79, C, 83, or D, 87? And the answer is C, 83. Do check out these videos that are on the screen. These are the ones that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thanks for watching.